All right, let's dive into it. Making cannabis oil can be a cool way to enjoy the benefits of the plant, but we got to be responsible and safe about it. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. My fellow herb enthusiasts, ingredients. 1 cup of primo dried cannabis flower finely ground. 1 cup of a chill carrier oil, coconut oil, olive oil, or vegetable oil. Optional. 1 teaspoon of sunflower lecithin to enhance absorption. Tools. A slow cooker or double boiler. Some cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. A groovy glass jar or container for storage. Instructions. Decarboxylation. All right. First things first. Preheat your oven to 220 def of 105 deg. Spread that finely ground cannabis flower on a baking sheet and pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. This process activates the THC, making it potent. Infusion. Now on your slow cooker or double boiler, combine that chilled carrier oil and the decarboxylated cannabis. Keep the heat on low and let it simmer for 4 to 6 hours, giving it a stir every now and then. Don't let it boil or get too hot or you'll lose those precious cannabinoids. Straining. Once the infusion is done, let it cool down a bit. When it's safe to handle, strain the oil through the cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer into a clean glass jar or container. Squeeze it out, man. Get all that oil goodness without messing up the cloth. Storage. All right, seal that jar up tight and stash it in a cool, dark place away from the harsh light. Properly stored cannabis oil can last for a good few months, so take care of your stash. Oxygen usage. Now listen up, my fellow enthusiasts. Figuring out the right dosage depends on factors like your tolerance and what kind of vibes you're after. Start low, man, and slowly increase if you need to. But hey, don't forget to consult a knowledgeable professional for guidance on cannabis usage, especially if you're using it for medicinal purposes, man. That's the lowdown on making cannabis oil, dude. Just remember, use it responsibly and legally. Misusing or abusing cannabis products can bring some harsh consequences, both health-wise and legally. Oh, cannabis oil, bring me joy and peace. Help me relax, let the stress release. With careful dosage, I'll find my way through the haze of life each and every day. Take care, stay informed, and keep those good vibes flowing.